Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Let's move further towards our another activity. You just have to make a roughly triangular shape, then you just have to make some of the lines, and then you just have to make the ears. Again, you just have to make the another triangle. As you can see, we are here making some of the crisscross lines, and then we are going to convert it into the cartoon character, that's the Pikachu. Now let's move further towards our another activity. We are going to show you how we can create a Doraemon. For that, you just have to first make a round shape, not completely round, but you just have to keep some portion open. That you are going to make the body and the rest of the features are added. Pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Let's move further, try to make the whole family. This is the simplest of all. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. We will now move further towards making the another type of the family. For this one, you just have to make some of the round circles and then the alphabet H, and then the round circles and the alphabet H are linked together via different types of the lines that are going to represent the head and the body portion. And you just have to join the hands also because it looks like a happy family. This activity is again very simple. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Definitely give this one a try. It looks so good and so easy. Fill it with some of the bright colors. I'm here using the sketch pens. You can make use of some different colors. Let's try to make a princess. For this one, you just have to make a U shape, then you just have to join the two ends of the U. After that, you just have to make the long hair. Let's move further and try to make a beautiful ball gown. For that, you just have to make a heart shape using a marker. After that, an umbrella shape is made, then you just have to again fill it with the help of the highlighter or the marker as shown here. Now take the black marker and make the rest of the body of cute little princess in just few easy simple steps. This is the simplest of all. It's best suitable for the girls between the age group of 8 to 9. All you need is some of the sketch pens and also markers. Don't forget to make the crown at the top of the head. We will now move further towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to make some of the circles. For tracing down the circles, we are making use of the coins. Once we have traced down the circles, it's time to just work on the facial features. From the lower portion, you just have to trace on the alphabet H, and then you just have to fill the circles. Like you just have to make the bun and the head, bald head for the man and the bun for the women. Add the rest of the features. This looks so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Once you are done with this one, you just have to fill it with some of the colors. Coloring is must because it makes your painting more attractive. So you just have to be focused while you are filling it with the colors. Actually, using the bright colors makes it more attractive. So here I have used the red one. We will now move further towards our another activity. For this one, we just have to make the roughly a square shape. After that, inside it, you just have to make some of the circles one after the another. Once you are done with this, you just have to make a big smile and the two teeth that are just open in the wide smile by the SpongeBob character. Then you just have to make the legs and the body of this character. It looks so cute. Let's now move further towards our another activity. First, trace down the circle. Once you have traced it down, then in the V direction, you just have to make the rest of the features. We are going to show you how we can create an Arabic man who is just similar to that of the ghost features, but it looks so cute and so easy. In the background, we are trying to trace down a football also. Let's now move towards our another activity. For this one, you just have to trace down the alphabet S, over which you just have to make the line from upper and the lower portion. Then the curves are to be made from both the ends. After that, you just have to fill it with the color like shown here. This is so good and so easy. You just have to add some more features like the eyes, nose, and you can see the two girls are just hugging each other and the tint is given around the cheeks area. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.